So today we will be discussing how to calculate. But before that, please keep in mind basic salary, HRA, and your total allowances. These are the standard components of major components of CTC. Not only CTC, as well as the gross salary when you are calculating. So here, when you are calculating basic salary, it's always into CTC because basic salary is certain percentage of CTC. And likewise, whenever you are calculating your HRA, HRA also is a certain percentage of basic salary. So that's why as basic salary is linked with your CTC amount, so HRA always linked with your basic salary. So what's the percentage of HRA? Calculation when you are calculating. So when you are calculating HRA, which type of cities employees staying in that matters a lot. That's one of your employees staying in the metro city. So that time the percentage of HRA, and when someone staying in non-metro cities, at that time the percentage of HRA will vary. So in metro cities, the percentage will be 50% of your basic salary. Will be, but when you are considering someone is staying in non-metro cities, at that time the percentage will be your 40% of basic salary. So let's take an example. Someone's like the basic salary is 2 lakh. So less the employee staying in a metro city. So what will be the basic salary at the time? So HRA will be at the time. So 50% of your basic salary means 2 lakh. It will be 1 lakh. Your HRA will be if the employee is staying in metro city. But if the same employee staying in non-metro city, at that time it will be 40% of your basic salary. Then let's calculate 40% of your basic salary is 2,80,000. So first one, if you are staying in metro cities, if your basic salary is 2 lakh, we'll take an example, you will get 1 lakh as your HRA, and if you are staying in non-metro cities, at that time 40% of basic salary will get as a HRA, and here 80,000 the same. Thank you.